Shit, everybody, we're back with another video. So we're doing we have a bunch of Lego guys here and a hose. So if you come here, there's you're trying not to step on the Lego.
Oh my, it's bubbling. It's bubbling, but see, it's kind of like a current. And pretty much right now, it's the shark.
Actually,
is gonna be
a little closer right here.
The shark's gonna kind of be like a killer. So he's pretty much gonna help the.
So as you see, this alien kind of guy, he is definitely not gonna make it.
But the zombies, they can breathe underwater, so they will be.
Yeah, so the shark and the zombies are the opponents. So is the water. Yeah. So as you see, there's some water coming
So
down
pretty
right
much,
there.
the thing I know.
Some water.
Yeah, I know who's gonna be dead first. Batman. What happened? The water just got turned off.
Dead the water. What? The water just turned off.
Oh, it's probably the compressor.
Well, the water's turned off.
Technically.
Oh, it's on again.
Okay, it's on. So
Batman's going down first. See, because this is the stream. Actually, it might be that dude. So this dude is like in a hole. He's in a little hole.
So
and there's tools everywhere. You need to do anything with them. This is probably the easiest way to dig because how hard the water comes in. It digs the string.
yeah. Oh, it's actually traveling to the alien.
It's spraying. Here, I'm gonna stick it underwater, underneath the ground like this. There, see? When I go like that, it stops the spraying.
Or we have a better one. Maybe right here.
Okay.
Because that's
Okay, so now the water flow is going to the city.
okay. So Ethan, stand on here so we don't step on any. Okay, first it actually looks like it's going to Buzz Lightyear and Steve.
And Batman.
It's the stone armor or iron armor. I don't know what that is.
That is iron because there's no stone in my head. Batman is no, his head's not underwater yet.
Yeah, so when someone's head goes underwater, that means they're out. Or if they get with the current.
Go with the current. No, yeah, but some are
So
not.
Batman's head is half underwater. This is gonna be a little longer video.
Yeah. But it's going to be really destruction. There,
And
see,
it's gonna
he's
be
almost
worth it.
underwater.
Yep.
So make sure to stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe
We're on the
button.
road to 25.
Yep, 25. Buzz Lightyear. Oh, his head's almost under. Just take this leaf because that leaf's so helping him.
No, he has, look it. He has
He's
that
floating.
oxygen thing. He has that oxygen thing.
He's floating.
Oh, Steve, look at Steve here. He's almost, his
Buzz
head.
Lightyear. He's like, I'm just going to put this thing over my head and I'll be like good to go. Oh, I thought it could go over his
Steve
head.
is definitely gonna die because
Batman's definitely going to die. He's going with the current. Yeah, his mouth is underwater almost.
yeah, but it has to be their full head. Honestly, the alien's chilling right now.
The alien's so good.
Oh, by the way, we have that guy right there and Batman underground right there. So the shark.
Where's
I'm
the
gonna
shark?
move the shark. I'm gonna move the shark.
Yeah, the shark. Put him right at the
Oh,
string.
look it.
Put the shark right at the string. Right where the string starts.
Okay.
No, right at the string starts. Okay, now let's push. Okay, you ready? So right here and shark is there. I'm gonna move so I don't step on any of the dudes. Where is the shark? Oh, he's still there. He's getting pushed.
There's a string going over here.
Because the alien.
Oh, the creepers are getting invaded now. I mean, zombies. I get mixed up with
Yeah, well,
zombies and
yeah, they're gonna like it here. Let's not actually have them underground. They're just gonna be like this.
But Steve is definitely going to be one of the first to go. Batman is still not out.
Batman's just floating. So what happens if the zombies do like? Oh, I just noticed something.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's because that hole right there.
Yeah. It's slowly making its well, the explorer's slowly getting dreaded. And Batman over here. We have two Batmans. Is almost done for. There's so many bugs in here that are probably getting killed by stones.
Steve is actually almost dying.
This is a garden. We use a garden.
Yeah, we really had nowhere else.
To do the flood. Oh, the shark.